how to create stickers on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add some fun to your Snapchat snaps, you're in the right place. Once you're in, take a quick snap of anything around you. For example, I'm gonna snap a picture of this. Click a snap. And now, look for the scissor icon on the screen. Tap on it to start creating your sticker. So it says outline an object with a finger to make a sticker. So just outline the object. Make sure you cover the whole area that you want. And once you're done, you just have to and you can see the sticker has been created, and now you can place the sticker anywhere you want. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.